Nocturnal predators in the jungle. As the sun sets and darkness falls over the jungle, a new set of hunters emerges, nocturnal predators. The night offers cover, allowing these predators to stalk, hunt, and survive in ways that would be nearly impossible in the daylight. With highly specialized adaptations for hunting in low light, these creatures rule the jungle when the sun goes down. One of the most famous nocturnal predators is the jaguar, a powerful cat found deep within the rainforests of Central and South America. Unlike lions or tigers, jaguars are solitary hunters, and their main advantage is their ability to move silently through the dense undergrowth. Their spotted coat provides camouflage, allowing them to blend in with the shadows and dappled moonlight that filter through the jungle canopy. Jaguars have remarkable night vision, enabling them to detect their prey even in the darkest corners of the jungle. When hunting, jaguars often use a technique known as still hunting. They move slowly and silently, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. Once close enough to their prey, be it a capybara, peccary, or even a caiman, they pounce with lightning speed, using their powerful jaws to deliver a fatal bite directly to the skull or neck. Their stealthy hunting style makes them nearly invisible, even to prey with keen senses. Above, in the trees, the owl is another nighttime hunter. With their large, forward-facing eyes and ability to turn their heads nearly 270 degrees, owls can scan the forest floor in near total darkness. Their specialized feathers are designed for silent flight, allowing them to swoop down on small mammals, birds, or insects without making a sound. This stealthy approach is essential for catching prey unaware. The barn owl, in particular, hunts at night, using its superior hearing and silent flight to track down prey in the jungle's thick underbrush. Other nocturnal predators, like civets and some species of wild cats, also thrive in the jungle's nighttime environment. They rely on heightened senses of smell, hearing, and night vision to hunt in the cover of darkness. The night provides these animals with an advantage: fewer predators, cooler temperatures, and the element of surprise. In the jungle, the nightlife is just as fierce and full of action as it is during the day. Nocturnal predators are perfectly adapted to thrive under the cover of night, proving that survival often happens in the shadows. Would you like to explore other nocturnal creatures in more detail, or discuss the nighttime behavior of prey animals? Nocturnal insects and frogs in the jungle. When the sun sets and the jungle transitions into night, it isn't just the large predators that come out to hunt. The night belongs to an entire world of smaller creatures, nocturnal insects and frogs, that thrive in the cool, shadowy hours. From glowing fireflies to croaking tree frogs, the jungle's nighttime atmosphere is alive with a symphony of sounds and lights. One of the most fascinating features of the jungle at night is the glow of fireflies. These small beetles emit light through a process called bioluminescence. Each species of firefly has its own unique flashing pattern, used to attract mates. As darkness falls, their glowing signals light up the forest floor, creating a breathtaking light show. These insects not only add to the jungle's beauty, but they also play an important role in the ecosystem. Their presence attracts predators like bats, which help control their populations, maintaining a balance in the food chain. Equally fascinating are the many species of frogs that come to life at night. One of the most well-known is the red-eyed tree frog. During the day, these frogs are nearly invisible, blending into the leaves and branches of trees. But when night falls, they become more active, hunting for insects like moths, beetles, and flies. Their bright red eyes, which could make them an easy target for predators, serve as a defense mechanism. When threatened, the frog will often flash its red eyes to startle its predator, buying it precious moments to escape. Another nocturnal frog, the poison dart frog, is highly active at night. Known for its vibrant colors, This frog has toxic skin that deters predators, but it uses the cover of night to hunt for small invertebrates. These frogs are highly specialized and rely on their surroundings for food, feeding on ants and other insects, which are part of their toxic diet. Nighttime is also when moths become the main meal for many predators. Moths are attracted to moonlight and often flutter around it, making them easy targets for bats. As the bats swoop through the jungle, they rely on echolocation to track their prey in the pitch-black environment. The jungle's nocturnal insects and frogs provide a crucial source of food for many animals, while also filling the air with their unique sounds and lights. The rhythm of their movements and calls is an essential part of the jungle's nighttime ecosystem. Would you like to dive deeper into the role of other jungle insects, or focus on specific frogs for the next script? Nighttime flight in the jungle. As the jungle shifts from day to night, a new wave of activity takes flight. Unlike the daylight hours, when the air is filled with birds, bats and insects take over the night skies. These nocturnal flyers have developed incredible adaptations that allow them to thrive in the jungle's darkness, navigating with precision and hunting with skill. One of the most fascinating creatures that take to the air at night are bats. With over 1,400 species worldwide, bats are the only mammals truly capable of sustained flight. In the jungle, bats play a critical role in maintaining the ecosystem. Many species feed on insects like mosquitoes, moths, and beetles, helping to control populations and prevent overgrowth. But some bats in the jungle are fruit eaters, known as fruit bats or flying foxes. Their large wingspans allow them to travel great distances between trees, using their keen sense of smell to find ripe fruit or nectar. Their nocturnal habits protect them from daytime predators, making the night their safe hunting ground. But it's not just bats that use the night sky. Moths, the cousins of butterflies, also dominate the jungle at night. Some species are drawn to moonlight, while others are attracted to the glow of bioluminescent plants or even the scent of other nocturnal insects. Their wings, often large and patterned for camouflage, help them blend into the shadows when they aren't in flight. Moths serve as an essential food source for predators like bats, frogs, and birds. The night is also when many birds, like the owl, make their presence known. Known for their exceptional hearing and night vision, owls are specially adapted for low-light hunting. Their feathers are soft and designed for silent flight, allowing them to approach prey with minimal noise. The owl's diet consists of small mammals, insects, and sometimes other birds. Their ability to silently swoop down on unsuspecting prey makes them formidable predators in the jungle at night. From the elusive fruit bat to the silent owl, the jungle at night is alive with the sounds and movements of creatures soaring through the darkness. Their ability to navigate, hunt, and survive in a world where visibility is limited is a testament to the incredible adaptations of nocturnal flyers. Would you like to explore more about any of these nocturnal creatures or their specific adaptations? The hidden nocturnal mammals in the jungle. As the jungle grows darker, a whole range of hidden nocturnal mammals emerges, adapting to the cover of night to survive. These creatures have evolved special behaviors, physical traits, and strategies to thrive when the world around them becomes shrouded in darkness. While many of the jungle's larger, diurnal mammals retreat for the night, it's the smaller, stealthier creatures that truly take over the jungle at night. One such mammal is the owl monkey, the only truly nocturnal monkey species in the world. These small primates are perfectly adapted to nighttime life. With large eyes relative to their head size, they have exceptional night vision that allows them to spot prey and navigate through the jungle's dense underbrush. Their diet mainly consists of fruits, leaves, and insects, and they use their strong sense of smell and vision to forage in the moonlight. Unlike most other monkeys that are active during the day, the owl monkey uses the cover of night to avoid predators such as hawks, large cats, and snakes. Another nocturnal mammal that thrives in the jungle at night is the jungle civet. Civets are elusive, shy animals that resemble a mix between a cat and a weasel. Their secretive nature and strong nocturnal habits make them masters of stealth. Civets are omnivores and feed on a variety of food sources, including fruits, insects, small mammals, and even birds. Their ability to move quietly through the jungle helps them avoid larger predators like jaguars, and they are often found foraging alone in the stillness of the night. Similarly, the solitary anteater is another nighttime forager. Equipped with a long, specialized snout and a sticky tongue, anteaters spend their nights digging into termite mounds and ant nests. Their sharp claws allow them to tear open difficult-to-reach places, and they can consume up to 30,000 insects in a single night. Though not strictly predatory, anteaters are an important part of the ecosystem, helping to control insect populations in the jungle. Silent hunters in the jungle. In the darkness of the jungle night, silent hunters rule the landscape, relying on their stealth and precision to capture prey. These creatures have evolved exceptional adaptations that allow them to move without a sound, using the cover of night to stalk and ambush their meals. Whether through powerful strikes, deadly camouflage, or highly specialized hunting techniques, these silent hunters are perfectly suited to the jungle's nocturnal life. One of the most iconic silent hunters in the jungle is the boa constrictor. This non-venomous snake is known for its ability to silently navigate through the underbrush, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. Using heat-sensing pits on its face, the boa can detect the warmth of its prey, even in the dark. Once it has identified its target, usually a small mammal or bird, the boa will strike with incredible speed, wrapping itself around its prey to suffocate it. The snake's quiet movements and powerful constriction make it a formidable predator in the jungle's nighttime environment. Another silent hunter in the jungle is the owl, a master of stealth and silent flight. Owls have specialized feathers that allow them to fly without making a sound, which is crucial for sneaking up on their prey. Their soft feathers break up the airflow, eliminating the sounds that would otherwise give away their position. Owls also possess incredible hearing, allowing them to detect even the slightest movement of small mammals in the dense jungle below. With their wide, forward-facing eyes, they can see clearly in low light, making them perfect hunters in the darkness of night. The jaguar, one of the largest cats in the jungle, is another example of a silent hunter. Known for its stealth and power, the jaguar uses the cover of darkness to stalk its prey, which can include anything from capybaras to caimans. Its spotted coat blends seamlessly with the jungle shadows, allowing it to move undetected until it's close enough to pounce. Jaguars are also known for their powerful jaws, which they use to bite through the skulls of their prey. This deadly combination of stealth, strength, and precision makes the jaguar one of the most efficient nocturnal hunters in the wild. Silent hunters, like the boa constrictor, owl, and jaguar, demonstrate the incredible adaptations that allow animals to survive in the jungle's challenging nighttime environment. With their ability to move without sound, they are able to capture prey and evade larger predators, ensuring their place in the food chain. Would you like to dive deeper into any specific silent hunter or explore their hunting strategies further? Protection and camouflage in the jungle at night. As night falls in the jungle, many animals are not only out hunting or foraging, they are also trying to avoid becoming someone else's meal. The jungle at night can be a dangerous place, with predators on the prowl, so survival often depends on an animal's ability to hide or blend into its surroundings. Protection and camouflage become vital strategies for many nocturnal creatures, allowing them to stay hidden and safe until dawn. One of the most well-known examples of camouflage in the jungle is the leaf-tailed gecko. This small reptile is a master of disguise. With its flattened body and tail that mimics a dead leaf, the leaf-tailed gecko can sit perfectly still, blending in with the jungle floor. Its coloration and shape make it nearly invisible to both predators and prey. This clever camouflage helps it avoid being spotted by birds of prey, allowing the gecko to hunt insects in the safety of darkness. The jaguar, one of the jungle's top predators, also relies on its coat for protection. While it might seem counterintuitive for a predator to need camouflage, the jaguar's spotted coat provides excellent concealment in the dense undergrowth of the jungle. The spots break up its outline, allowing it to stalk prey without being detected. The jaguar's ability to stay hidden in the shadows makes it a deadly hunter, capable of ambushing prey when they least expect it. For smaller prey, night monkeys also rely on camouflage and protection. These monkeys have large eyes that help them see in low light, but they also have a secret weapon, their fur. Night monkeys often hide in the trees, blending with the dark bark and leaves, making it difficult for predators to spot them. Their nocturnal habits protect them from daytime predators like hawks, while their keen senses allow them to find food in the dark. In the dense jungle, insects like the walking stick and moths also use camouflage for protection. The walking stick insect has a body shaped like a twig, which makes it nearly invisible to predators like birds. Moths, especially those with dull-colored wings, blend in with tree bark or leaves, staying hidden from predatory bats. These insects rely on stillness and their ability to blend in with their environment to stay safe. Whether it's blending in with the environment or staying still and undetected, protection and camouflage are key survival strategies for many jungle animals. The ability to hide in plain sight allows them to avoid predators and thrive in the jungle's dangerous, dark hours. Would you like to explore how these camouflage techniques are used in other ecosystems, or focus on specific species?